Bella, who are you?
Boots the monkey.
Boots the monkey. Who am I?
Dora Explorer.
Dora the Explorer.
Hi. Hi, Dora.
Hi, Boots.
The Explorer.
Who's Lucy?
Swiper the fox.
Swiper the fox.
He's got swipers.
Oh, no.
Yes, but the tools. There's tools where the swiper won't get them.
Why don't you go kick the ball around? Why are you destroying that?
Because we need to eat.
That's not food.
What?
That's not food.
We're eating pretend food.
Oh, okay.
But there's a spider.
Uh-oh. Do you like spiders, Bella?
No.
Why not? Who's that, Bella?
What?
Who's that?
Swiper the fox.
Ah, Swiper, no!
Swiping. There's a spider again.
Don't pull the leaves off. The plant will be sad. Bella?
We need to eat. But Lucy, I can't do a trick for Lucy.
Okay, I think it's time to go inside and take a nappy now.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Say bye.
What?
Say bye to the camera.
No. I'm going to take the ball.
Are you? Do you know where it is?
Yes. I know.
Look. It's over there. Come on, kick the ball. Okay, bye.